Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to add a bit more visual support to your presentation by adding a YouTube video as a reference? In this video, I will guide you through the process of inserting a YouTube video directly into your PowerPoint presentation. Let's go. First, grab the link of the YouTube video you want to embed. To get the link, you can either look for it in your address bar, or click the Share button to copy the shortened version of the URL. There's also an embed option that provides the iframe code for the video. This method lets you customize playback by setting a start time, showing controls, and enabling privacy enhanced mode. With privacy mode on, YouTube won't store information about your visitors unless they actually play the video. Once you have the YouTube video link ready, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to insert it. Place your cursor within the slide and head over to the Insert tab in the ribbon. Look for the far right corner section labeled Media. Click Video, and choose Online Videos from the drop-down menu. Paste the copied link into the URL text field, and click Insert to confirm. Just like any other object in your presentation, you can freely move the video around or adjust its size to fit the slide perfectly. You can also have access to basic YouTube controls like displaying subtitles and other settings. However, it's important to remember that since the video plays directly from YouTube, an internet connection will be required every time you present and want to play it successfully. Additionally, PowerPoint's playback features like fade, trim, and more won't work with online videos. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.